About 6 months ago, I started losing all my hair drastically, clumps and clumps. I was devastated. I saw 3 different doctors. No one knew what was going on, and my hair just continually got more and more. I kept losing more and more hair. It was breaking unbelievably. And somehow I found Tomy B on the internet.
I was just doing some research online for damaged hair, because I have damaged hair, and the salon came up with a ton of good reviews, and I thought, I would give it a try. I live a couple towns over.
He has changed my life. I thought I was going to need to wear a wig. I was afraid to come out of the house for days, and when I got here, he treated me so great. And it got my hair right back to health, and I can't believe the difference within 5 months. My hair is growing, and it's soft, and it's fantastic.
Today's my first time here. I feel really hopeful. I feel like, Tomy knows how to address my hair needs, so I'm looking forward to seeing, how my hair gets better.